Sri Owaisi, very briefly, please.
Congratulate the Dalit brethren throughout the country who have stood up against the majoritarian communalism and who have given a message to weaker and other oppressed section that this discrimination, oppression, xenophobia can only be fought once you stand up and oppose the majoritarian communalism, you take them head on. So second point, no democracy in the world has prioritized animal life over human life. This is what this government is doing, and I would like to congratulate them in a sarcastic way for progressing, taking forward democracy in this way, that you have prioritized animal life over human life. Sir, third point, sir, what we are seeing now, what Professor Shepard, Mr. Kyancha has said, that for the first time we are seeing a skin for a skin of a dead cow, a skin of a human being. This is what is being happening, and credit again goes to the ideology of the ruling party. Sir, my fourth point is that this is a new phenomena. Why is it that this Gorakshar have come up suddenly? Because you are in power and they are getting power from you and they are getting emboldened. My fifth point, sir, how is it that these so-called cow protectors want to look into my fridge, my utensil, my plate, what do I eat? What right do they have? They have no right whatsoever to look into my house and to see what I am eating or what I am eating. Sir, the so-called protectors of cow, look at the laws which you have made. I want to know from the Honorable Home Minister, IPC 354, assaulting a woman, 509 IPC, outraging the modesty of woman, 354 2 years, 509 1 year is the conviction sentence. Whereas if in Haryana, if you are caught with smuggling cow, the imprisonment is 7 years. I want to congratulate them. This speaks volumes about Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. This is what they are doing. When it comes to women, when it comes for sisters, it is 2 years and 1 year. For cow it is 7. Sir, my seventh point. Sexual violence against Dalit girls have increased from 32 to 150 years, 150 cases per year, sir. 8 lakh Dalits are dependent upon this job of skinning dead cows. Now their whole economy is being destroyed thanks to the ruling party and their sister organizations. A Dalit cannot sell the dead cow skin, bones or horns. Sir, my ninth point, important, sir. The Honorable Prime Minister made a fantastic statement that shoot me, kill me. It was a very stoic moment. I'm sure that this dialogue was stolen from a very important Hindi movie. But anyway, the Honorable Prime Minister made that statement. But all of us are complaining over here. Why didn't he add Muslims and other people? I want to congratulate the Prime Minister for showing his mindset.
Right.
Sir, I'm concluding, sir. By showing his mindset. Why? Because Muslims can never be part of Hindu nationalism. But Muslims are an important pillar of Indian nationalism. This is what I want to say, sir. Sir, I want to conclude by saying that if you are so-called protectors of cow, why is it that you're taking insulin? Many BJP members, I'm sure, are diabetic. The insulin is made by pancreas of cattle. Sir, last point, sir. I would like to end my Iqbal share on the share of Iqbal, by what Iqbal said about the cow protectors. खुदा की बस्ती दुकान नहीं है, खरा जिसे तुम समझ रहे हो वो अब जर्रे खुम आयर होगा, तुम्हें तहजीब अपने खंजर से अपने आप खुद खुशी करेगी. Sir, let the Honorable Home Minister say that isn't his ruling party taking in 2013-14, 14-15, you have taken 2 crores from beef exporters. And the biggest beef exporter is not a Muslim. Lastly, sir, would you ban the beef? Would you ban beef export? Because 2015 we export 1,806 metric tons of beef. That is 4.8 billion. Let the Honorable Home Minister do not indulge in semantics. We'll do this, we'll do that. You know for sure, all these Gaurakshas belong to you. They come from you. They have your DNA. Right. You should crush them equally, sir. Thank you, sir.